Hello students, this is your grammar class. This is 30th July. This is the second video that I am sharing with you. The first video was connected to the explanation of the lesson 5, the present tense. Okay, we have discussed what are the different types of present tenses and what are they and how they are used. Okay, so we will be discussing the exercises of lesson 5 in this video. Simple present tense. We have already learned that what is a simple present tense? When it is used to express general truth or habits or action or events that always happen, not only at the time of speaking but in general also. Okay. So simple present tense is very clear. इसके example, I brush my teeth daily, sun rises in the east, ये सब simple present tense है. So we will be doing the exercises. Exercise A, complete these proverbs using the correct expressions from the box. One has been done for you. We have already discussed the proverbs, muhavre, idioms, all these are in simple present tense. First one is done. A fool and his money are soon parted. Number 2, fools rush in where angels fear to tread. These are our proverbs. Okay, so you should have good knowledge of proverbs. Now, number 3, people who live in glass houses should not throw stones. Okay, remaining you will be able to do. Where there is a will, there is a way. A stitch in time saves 9. ये सब आप कर सकोगे अपने आप with the remaining options left. Then come to question number 2, B. Imagine you are a reporter interviewing the captain of your school cricket team. Complete this interview. One has been done for you. You have to use your imagination to complete an interview. Reporter, do you feel nervous before a match? Captain, yes, I do. Reporter, how do you motivate your team members? Captain, I try to foster collaboration among them. Okay, try is a simple present verb. Foster collaboration means आपस में एक दूसरे के साथ टीम वर्क में काम करे, वैसा try करता है. Reporter, how do you rate the performance of your team? Captain, I think they are quite good. Reporter, what do you think are the strengths of your team? Captain, we have a number of players that can score centuries. Okay, this was an imaginary sentence. You can also frame sentences based on your understanding. Okay, we'll go to the next page. Next page is about present continuous tense. What is the use of present continuous tense? The present continuous tense is used to express something that is going at the time of speaking. वो तब वो एक्टिविटी हो रही है जब आपने वो सेंटेंस बोला. एग्जाम्पल, वी आर स्टडिंग इन क्लास 8, वी आर वॉकिंग टू स्कूल. ओके, कुछ ऐसा जो उस टाइम पे चल रहा है या फिर इनडेफिनेट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम के लिए चल रहा है. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस जो है, वी आर स्टडिंग इन क्लास 8, दैट मीन्स ये 1 साल तक आप क्लास 8 में ही पढ़ोगे, तो यू विल यूज दिस सेंटेंस. वी आर वॉकिंग टू स्कूल, इट इज़ हैपनिंग एट द टाइम ऑफ स्पीकिंग. Okay, these are the examples of present continuous tense. How do you identify present continuous tense? It ends with ing. Beena is spending her holidays, तो spend के बाद ing लगा. Sheila is traveling these days, तो travel के बाद ing. So this is the speciality of present continuous tense. Then we'll discuss exercise C. Exercise C. Vinita and her friends are working on a project titled India's Wildlife. Vinita records their activities in her notebook. Help her to complete what she has started using the present continuous form of the verb. Help her to form of the verb. Okay, one has been done for you. We are trying hard to complete the project by this weekend. Are trying hard. Try hard का are trying hard. Second, collect pictures को I'll give a name to someone. शिखा is collecting pictures. आप लोग कोई और नेम भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. नंबर 3 भी आप क्या करोगे? यूज़ crayons and color pencils. तो सपोज XYZ और सपोज राशि is using crayons and color pencils. Number 4, Nitin is referring to books in the library. Similarly, you will be able to cover number 5 and number 6. Number 7, everyone is working enthusiastically. Number 8, you can do it on your own. Okay, so you have to use the present continuous form of the word that is given in the bracket. Okay. Sometimes these sentences can be expressed in simple present tense and not in the present continuous tense. Suppose ये एक example है, she is believing whatever her friend tells. तो इसमें it is better to use it in a second another way. She believes whatever her friend tells her. Okay, उसको simple present tense में बताना ज़्यादा useful है. और सेंटेंस है ही इज़ अपियरिंग हैंडसम, नहीं, ही अपियर्स हैंडसम. श्वेता इज़ रिसेंबलिंग हर मदर, श्वेता अपने मदर के जैसी दिखती है कि दिख रही है. ओके, सो ये गलत है ना. इफ़ श्वेता लुक्स लाइक हर मदर तो वो हमेशा अपने मदर जैसी दिखेगी, तो हम कहेंगे श्वेता रिसेंबल्स हर मदर. ओके, सो दिस इज़ हाउ द exercise C is done and use of present continuous tense is also explained. Come to page number 36. Then we come to present perfect tense. What is the use of present perfect tense? It is used to show actions that have been completed. जो हो चुके हैं actions या just अभी हुए हैं उनको बताने के लिए we use present perfect tense. Okay, आप क्लास में बोलते हो मैम I have just finished my work. So it is present perfect tense. There are several examples given here. Okay. And what is present perfect continuous tense? It is something which has started in the past and it is still going on. तो वो past में शुरू हुआ इसलिए present perfect है, और चल रहा है इसीलिए continuous भी है. This is how use of present perfect tense is given. जैसे यहाँ पे फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल क्या दिया है, वी हैव बिन लिसनिंग टू द लेक्चर फॉर द पास्ट हाफ एन आवर, यानी पिछले आधे घंटे से हम लेक्चर सुन रहे हैं. तो सुनना स्टार्ट किया था पहले और अभी भी सुन ही रहे हैं, दैट इज़ वाई इट इज़ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस. द प्लम्बर हैज़ बीन ट्राइंग टू रिपेयर द टैप सिंस मॉर्निंग. तो प्लम्बर हैड स्टार्टेड द वर्क इन द मॉर्निंग एंड स्टिल ही इज़ डूइंग दैट वर्क, सो दैट इज़ वाई इट इज़ present perfect continuous tense. Okay, then we'll come to page number 37. Exercise D we'll be doing now. Fill in the blanks with present perfect continuous tense of the words in the bracket. One has been done for you. Mother looks unwell. She has been complaining of a headache for the past 2 days. Okay, मतलब she had complained of headache since last 2 days and till now she is complaining only. The room is well arranged. We dash on it the whole morning. You'll do it yourself. Number 3, the food smells delicious. Mona cook लिखा है ब्रैकेट में. Mona has been cooking since she returned from work. Number 4, the passengers. It is written wait in the bracket. The passengers have been waiting for the train for the past half an hour. Okay, has या have use करना, that you will decide on the basis of whether it is singular or plural. Okay. Number 5, the children have been playing in the rain all this while. So in the same way you will be able to cover number 6, 7 and 8. Let us come to exercise E. Fill in the blanks with the present continuous, present perfect or present perfect continuous tense. Okay. Mehak has been painting since morning. She has not spoken to anybody since she started painting. Okay. So this यहाँ पे she has not been speaking गलत होगा, यहाँ पे present perfect use होगा, इसीलिए मैंने लिखा है she has not spoken to anybody since she started painting. She has been taking lessons in painting from a very good artist in the city. अभी ongoing process है, जैसे you are studying in class 8, वैसे ही she has been taking lessons in painting. It's an ongoing process, so it will be present continuous tense. Then you will do this yourself. He dash teach her well and dash learn to draw and paint when she sees. She dash draw a sketch of her parents and ये आप खुद करेंगे. And she is now trying to draw a charcoal sketch of her puppy. अभी इज़ नाउ, अभी यहाँ पे हैव भी नहीं लगेगा क्योंकि एट प्रेजेंट जो वो काम कर रही है वो काम चल रहा है, इसीलिए वो इसलिए मैंने उसको हैज़ बीन नहीं लिखा, वो प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस है. ओके, रिमेनिंग यू विल बी एबल टू डू इट योरसेल्फ. ओके, this finishes the second video of today. In the next video I'll be starting lesson number 6, the past tense. Thank you.